back, nurses and future nurses, to Dosage Cal with Nurse A. I have some more dosage for you. So the IV order reads 110 mLs over 2 hours. The tubing drop factor is 20. What is the flow rate in drops per minute? And round to the nearest whole number. So the first thing that we have to recognize is, what is this problem even asking us? And right now they're asking us, what is the flow rate in drops per minute? All right, so we have to identify what it's asking, because whatever it's asking, that is what we're going to start this problem off with. All right, so we're going to go ahead and write drops over minutes, and we're going to put it in a box. Now we know whatever that numerator is, it has to go on top. And in this case, the drop factor is, so GTT stands for drop. The drop factor is 20, all right? Now, the drop factor always goes over, correct. So I see you've been paying attention, you've been watching the videos. The drop factor always goes over 1 ml, all right? Now, if we have mLs on the bottom, we know we need to have mLs on top. And in our problem, we have 110 mLs, all right? Do we have anything behind it? Well, yes, we do. It says they want to give it over 2 hours. So they want to give it over 2 hours. All right. Now let's start doing crossing out to see what we're left back with. We cross out mLs with mLs because you can only cross out diagonally. And we left with drops over hours, but we know we need drops over minutes. So we have one more conversion, and that conversion is 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. All right. So let's go ahead and put that in. We have hour on the bottom, so we know we have to have hour on top. So 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. You're simply just plugging in that conversion because we need to get it into minutes. Cross out hours and hours because we can cross out diagonally. We're left with minutes on the bottom, all right, which we need. And we're left with drops on the top, which we need. So 20, and this right here is a multiplication sign, all right, these dots right here. So 20 times 110 times 1 equals to a total of 2,200, all right? And then 1 times 2 times 60 equals to a total of 120, all right? So 2,200 divided by 120 equals to a total of 18.333. Now, let's round this to the nearest whole number. Well, this is our whole number right here, all right? Anything before that decimal. So what determines if this number changes? We need to look behind that, right? If it's 5 or greater, we're going to change that number. It is not, so it's going to simply stay as 18 drops per minute. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and follow for more.